In the short video tutorial, we will show you the best way to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation in your computer. Now, before converting, you can format the document and separate the Word document into sections with titles by clicking the Home tab, navigate to Styles menu, then highlight the title of your first slide or section, then click any of your chosen headings, and do that for the rest of your document. Now you may also change the text size, color, and font. And once you're done doing that, just save the document. And in order for you to convert it, open your Microsoft PowerPoint application, click Blank Presentation, click the menu icon next to New Slide, select Slides from Outline, choose the Word document you saved, then click Insert. Now after that, Microsoft PowerPoint will create slides based on your Word document, and you will see that every title you set with the headings appears on its own slide, along with its corresponding content, which you set with other headings. Now you can edit this PowerPoint, and after editing it, you can save the file by clicking the File tab, choose Save As, click a location of your PowerPoint presentation, and save the file with the PPTX extension. So that's how I can convert a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.